Good morning, students. We have just finished exercise 8.1. I hope every solution has been clear to you. Now, today I am going to solve exercise 8.2. But before that, I will tell you some specific value angles of the trigonometric ratios. One thing I would like to revise here, that we got the value of sine theta as altitude upon hypotenuse. Okay, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is altitude upon base, and then I also explained you some inverse values of sine, cos and tan. One more thing we'll prefer here, that is tan theta has one more value, like it is sine theta upon cos theta, because whatever the next segment I am going to do, I will prefer this. As well as if I am talking about cot theta, it will be what? Inverse of tan, it is cos theta upon sin theta. So let's start our new exercise, but before that, our new topic is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Now here I will explain you that how to prepare table, and in case if you are forgetting some values of the table, how to memorize it, because the value of each angle is not our topic, that how it comes, but we have to remember it. So for all the terms like sine, cos, tan, then inverse of sine is what? Cosec. Inverse of cos is what? Sec. And inverse of tan is what? Cot. So we have these these six functions are there, and what angle we have to prepare here? The first one is 0 angle, second is 30, then we have 45, 60 as well as 90. Clear? Only you have to prepare these angles, because we need their values while solving the numerical. So let's start from the sine. If you remember the value of sine only, I'm just giving the trick. You can write all the values of cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So let's start now. Here we go. Now for sine 0, the value of sine 0 means somewhere if you are getting sine 0, so the total value of sine 0 is what? 0. So I will write here 0. Clear? Now sine 30. In case in any question, if you are getting sine 30, so how we will remove sine 30? By putting 1 by 2 on the place of sine 30. So it is 1 by 2. Clear? Only way to memorize the value. So please prepare the table as I am instructing you. It will be helpful for you. Then comes sine 45. It is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is what? 1. Dear students, we have not enough time for 4 to 5 months. I'm not sure how much time, but you are well eligible to memorize these values of sine. And why I'm giving more focus on the term sine only, because if I know all the values of sine, I can prepare whole table. Okay? How? Let me explain you. Now cos 0, it is the inverse value of sine 90. So I will write here 1. Okay. Cos 30, it is the value of sine 60. I will write here root 3 by 2. Then cos 45, it is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Here we go. Can we see that? All the values of sine is what? Sine is what? Sorry, inverse value of the cos. See, sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2 and sine 90 1. So how I will memorize for the cos? If I am well sure about all the values of sine, cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2 and cos 90 0. Clear? So instead of tan, first of all, I will complete the value of cosec and sec. See, this is a way to prepare ourselves in a quick manner. Cosec is the inverse of sine, as I told you, right? That is, if the value of sine is, suppose value of sine theta is 5, so cosec theta will be 1 by 5. That we all know. So let's start to make inverse of each everything. Now sine 0 is 0. So what is cosec 0? It is undefined. Okay? It is what? Undefined. Sine 30 1 by 2. So what is the value of cosec 30? Cosec 30 is what? 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So what is cosec 45? It is root 2. Okay, and the next one is sine 60 root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 2 by root 3. Clear? And inverse of 1, sine 91 to cosec 91. Clear? Now it is not a big task to memorize the table or to make a whole table, or you are just thinking about I will draw all the table on the last page in the examination. It's not like that. We can simply memorize it. For example, listen to me very carefully. If somebody is asking you that what is the value of cosec 30? Clear? What is asking? What is the value of cosec 30? So why I am thinking about cosec 30? I will think about sine 30. Clear? So just when I will think about sine 30 is 1 by 2. So what is the value of cosec 30? It is the inverse of sine 30. That's all. So if I am well knowing about sine, I can do anything for the cosec. If somebody will ask me what is the value of cosec 60, so sometimes to remember 2 by root 3 is not so easy. So quickly I will move to inverse value of cosec 60 is what? Sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sure? So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. I can remember it very easily. So cosec 60 will be 2 by root 3. Right? So whenever we have to write the value of inverse formula, we will go for their basics. Clear? So shall we start for sec now? See, cos 0 is 1. So what is the value of sec 0? Sec 0 is also 1. Clear? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 is what? 2 by root 3. And cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So sec 45 will be root 2. Cos 60, it is 1 by 2. So sec 60 is 2. Clear? And then cos 90 0. So what is sec 90? It is undefined. So can you guess what I did? I just memorized or remembered the value of sine, and on the behalf of that I have written cos, cosec and sec. See how easily I did it. And even I told you that whenever you are asked about the value of cosec and sec, for cosec I will memorize sine, and for sec I will memorize cos. Same way, if somebody is asking me what is the value of sec 45, so definitely I will think about cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So sec 45 is root 2. That's all. Sure? So what is the remaining now? Tan and cot. So for tan, I just explained you relation. Tan is sin theta upon cos theta. So if I am going for tan 0, tan 0 means what? Sin 0 upon cos 0. Theta means the value of angle. What is sin 0? Can you guess here? 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 is what? 0 by 1. It is what? 0. So I will write here 0. Clear? So tan 0 is 0. Now tan 30. Tan 30 is what? Sin 30 upon cos 30. So what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So I can cancel 2 and 2. So it is 1 by root 3. See how easily I am getting. And even you can get easily like this. Only remember the trick. So it is what? 1 by root 3. Then comes tan 45. Tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? It is now sin 45 upon cos 45. So what is the value of sin 45? It is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. All will be cancelled with each other and we got the value as 1. So I will write here tan 45 as 1. Then the remaining next one is tan 60. What is tan 60? tan 60 is sin 60 upon cos 60. One more revision will be done here, that whenever you are writing the values of each, you will get once again the formula and the method. Sin 60 is what? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cancel 2 and 2. What is left now? Root 3. So my dear students, see how easily, how flexibility I am getting the formula of each and every value of each and every angle. Now the last one is tan 90. Tan 90 is what? Sin 90 upon cos 90. So sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So if any number is divided by 0, it is undefined number. So I will write here undefined. So almost I have filled 90% table, only remembering the value of sin. Sure. So let's move now to cot. As we all know, cot is the inverse of tan. So tan 0 is 0. So cot 0 is what? It is undefined. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So what is cot 30? Inverse of 1 by root 3 is 3. Tan 45 is 1. So cot 45 is also 1. Tan 60 root 3. So cos 60 1 by root 3. And tan 90 is undefined. So cot 90 is what? 0. Got it? Listen it very carefully, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and whatever the suggestions I have given you, if you will follow it, obviously there will no any kind of panic or problem to remember the values. Okay, so this is way to find the values of the given terms. So whatever the time left, let me solve you some questions for you. Wait for a moment. Now exercise 8.2. Don't forget to solve numericals of examples. Whatever the examples given, please continue to solve it from your room, because the solution is already given there. I will help you along with the exercise. So we have to evaluate. Question number 1. Evaluate the following. So the first one is sin 60. It is dot cos 30 plus sin 30 and cos 60. So you'll get numerical in this form. Sin 60 cos 30, sin 30 cos 60. So let's put the value now. What is sin 60? We know it is root 3 by 2. What is cos 30? It is also root 3 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. Then root 3 multiplied by root 3 will be 3, and 2 2s are 4, plus 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. So it will be 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So by this way we will solve the numerical. Clear? One more I will solve for you till my time limit. It is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. 2 tan square, see it is square, so whatever the value of tan 45, it will be squared. Okay, so it is what? 1 whole square. Cos square 30, it is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60, it is root 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 multiplied by square of 1 is 1, 1 2s are 2, plus root 3 square 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So simply 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 will be cancelled. So what will be your answer? It is equal to 2. So got it? This is the way to solve the numerical. So in my next segment, when we will meet, okay, we will solve some questions based on where trigonometric angle value. Okay, so first of all, whatever the table is done today, okay, please try to by heart the table. Take your time. We have enough time. I am giving you something around 24 hours to memorize the table. It is very easy. As I told you, just remember the value of sine. Inverse is the value of cos, tan, just leave it, go to the cosec and sec, and then tan will be like this. As I told you how to find tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60, tan 90. And while doing this, you will get the value of tan, and then you will get the value of cot, because it is the inverse of tan. So I hope you will follow the same procedure to save your time, as well as to remember the value of trigonometric ratios of some specific angle. So our next segment will be segment of some typical questions like rationalizing and other things. So please, I have solved the two questions. I am giving assignment to solve the numericals of the textbook, that is the examples, and in my next segment we'll go for some more toughest question, that is based on what? Rationalization. So I'm just completing my topic today. So please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Okay, goodbye.